Hello friends, here we have Tausif with us and he's a pass out from IIT Guwahati. He's here to share his experience about his coaching, about his preparation and studying in IIT Guwahati. Hello Tausif, welcome.
Hi.
So, how did you go with your preparation?
Actually, I come from a very small town, and almost every studious kid from such small town generally aspire for an exam like IIT, and engineering definitely is on the card of people. So I was sent to this city called Kota. I was enrolled in Bansal classes for 2 years of rigorous JEE preparation, and that's what my preparation was. It was all about the Bansal. They used to like plan and ideate on things. We were just the executive. We just used to follow the commands, sort of the guidelines which the coaching used to provide.
Do you think that today, after you have cracked IIT, you have completed your engineering, it was possible for you to do it on your own based on your self-studies?
That's a tough question. I don't know. In hindsight, anybody can say that yes or no. But seeing the level of competition and seeing the level of, seeing the different level of competition, I think it will be tough on a student part, like who is just an average student, to cope up with the level of competition. I think he needs some sort of guidance, some sort of expert training in order to crack the exams.
But everybody is not lucky enough to get this opportunity to do this coaching, big coaching institutes. So, do you see a potential with internet, with digital platforms, to bridge this gap among the people who are not in access to these, big institutions?
I guess, yeah, definitely, internet and digital media. I think that will be a good boost to the student, like at least who are good and who have good potential, who is hardworking and doing their on their own. I think this digital media where like you get a support of some good teachers who are already expert in this field. If you get to have their modules on online and make them do all these exercises and all, I think that will definitely help the students who are working on their own. Just small that boost which is needed for them. I think definitely this can be a good tool.
So once you cracked IIT, how did you zero down on your college and your branch?
I guess I was in such a rank, got such a rank that was 3000. So I was in a fix. I like never aspired for any as such branch. Like engineering was never my dream as such. What I wanted to just get into IIT. That's what I've heard of. So I always wanted to go into IIT Kanpur or IIT Delhi or some old famous IITs. But my rank was 3000. I couldn't get any core engineering branches in other old IITs. I was only getting core engineering branches in IIT or MSc or dual degrees in old IITs. So I chose for chemical engineering IIT Guwahati. And yeah, at my point of time, it was not offline. It used to be online counseling. So yeah, just I took help of my elder brothers. They sort of helped me out. Okay, deciding the college or the branches or filling the preferences and all.
So online internet was helpful.
I think yeah, they were sort of trying that. That was the first time. That ours was the first batch when we had this online counseling session was there. So I think yeah, it was helpful. It was a bit helpful.
So coming to your college now, how was the academic experience? Your academic experience at your college?
I think anybody who want to pursue engineering in the longer run, or anyone who want to pursue science as such, fundamental or even the engineering science, I think IIT always provides a good atmosphere. You always have to choose. Generally, people say, okay, people don't have as such a good education in IIT, even in IIT. I don't think that's true. If you make up your mind, I think you can really do a lot. It's this choice. It's up to the choice of student. I was quite satisfied with the level of education, level of everything, I think facilities which was provided to me.
How about faculty, co-curricular activities, sports?
Faculty was satisfactory. It was not that great. Definitely not as great as the good foreign universities. Co-curricular is definitely a place acquires a good place in a student's life in IIT, any IIT life. And our campus again had a very good apart from academics, good curricular life. I mean, good clubs, good festivals. Yeah, so we had a good time in spending in co-curricular.
So when it comes to higher education, like cracking these exams for CAT, GRE, GMAT, you need some kind of assistance in terms of maybe coaching or some other support. So was it possible for you to get that kind of assistance at your college?
I don't think IIT Guwahati is situated in Guwahati, which is a very far away, remote place. We don't have as many good coaching institutes for CAT and GMAT. Time has a center, a small center, which they actually specially put it for IIT Guwahati students. So there was small center only, but for GMAT and GRE, I don't think anybody take coaching in my college. So they generally prepare their own. For CAT, definitely they enroll in time, and they generally take help of our past out alums or who are presently in IIM or like in some other universities in terms of preparation for SOPs or like interviews or whatever the requirements are. So I don't think that we generally get. It's our alumni network and the peers which help out each other.
So do you see like internet and digital networks being a help or this kind of situation where you don't have access to best coaching or other facilities because of being at rural or remote place?
I definitely, I can vouch for that. From a place I was educated in Bihar, then I got my engineering degree from IIT Guwahati. Definitely, I can vouch for this, strongly vouch for that. That any online medium which can at least give that access which the students in big cities have. I think that can bridge the gap which is there among the students, because lots of potential students, lot of good students, they somehow fall short in the competition. Definitely, that will. I'm pretty up for it.
So yeah, right from the time a student dreams for an IIT, he has this long vision dream in his mind of good, fancy placement. So, how was the placement scenario at your college?
It was good. It was actually good for a few branches, but not so good for other branches. And definitely in my college, computer science, design, and computer science and design, they are the best placed students generally. Generally, these core branches are suffering a lot in IIT. I don't know whether it's because of dip in manufacturing. So anybody who wants a job in core sector, I don't think they really get it. Yeah, if you want to get a job in finance or management stuff, definitely IIT get you a job. But yeah, I don't think I was not very satisfied with the diversity which IIT provides in terms of placement.
So quick fire round for you. Weekend getaways at IIT Guwahati.
I guess it used to be either I used to be engrossed in my work, fest work. I used to organize that, or I used to be busy with my movies and soaps.
Favorite hangout place?
Favorite hangout place? Well, we have very less places. We had very less places in Guwahati, but still, I think Yellow Chilies was the place we used to go very often.
Best experience of your college?
Best experience, I guess, my department mates and my festivals.
Thank you. Thank you for your time.
Thank you.